Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time I've seen this face, my name is Nwarinma. If you're my channel subscriber, I do appreciate you. Thank you for supporting me and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make egg sauce with vegetables and unripe plantain. Like this video, subscribe, turn notification on to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let me take you straight into the video. The ingredients you need are vegetables. You can see I've sliced my vegetables. Unripe plantain, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, seasoning cube, eggs, salt, and tomato. I'm using chopped tomato. I start off by slicing the plantain. You can see the size. Then I add it into a pot with water. Then I cover it and leave it to cook for 30 minutes. I go ahead and wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetable 3 times and I believe it's clean. I go ahead and crack my eggs. I use 4 eggs. Now I'm going to slice half an onion in. I'm going to add 2 blended scotch bonnet peppers and 1 Maggi cube. And I whisk. Once the ingredients are combined, I add vegetables. I add half a teaspoon of salt and add chopped tomatoes and continue mixing. So I mix until the whole ingredients are combined. I add my olive oil because I like using olive oil. Then I add in the mixture. And now turn it. I leave leave it to fry for 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes, guys. So I believe it's done. Look at how colorful the sauce is. Yummy. Now the sauce is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with white rice, yam, unripe plantain, potatoes. The plantain is done. So yes, it's done. You can see it's soft now. So everything is ready, guys. This is the finishing product, guys. Like this video, subscribe. Turn your notification on to get notified anytime I drop any video. Please subscribe to this channel if you never subscribe. Bye bye. See you soon.